In this video, we discuss foods that lend themselves to the ketogenic diet. As always, these ideas are discussed in more depth in the book Cancer Self-Defense 101 Quick Tips to Help You Survive. All citations for studies quoted in this video can be found in the book's bibliography at cancerselfdefense101.com. This video is intended as information, not medical advice. It is not intended to treat, diagnose, or cure any disease. Any medical advice should come from an appropriately credentialed medical professional familiar with your unique circumstances. When attempting the ketogenic diet, foods with high amounts of fat and low amounts of carbs and protein are preferred. Some foods like this are shown in the following chart. Shirataki noodles are also used on the ketogenic diet. A serving of 250 grams has no fat, no protein, and 9 grams of carbs, with no fiber. The vegetable that shirataki noodles are made of, konjac glucomannan, has been found to have anti-diabetic, anti-obesity, laxative, prebiotic, and anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties. Even though it has no fat, it could be a good addition to a ketogenic diet as long as it is compensated for with other high-fat foods. Cucumber also has a lower ratio of fat than carbs and protein. However, it is a fairly low amount of carbs protein compared to the total serving size. Also, if you're interested in pickles, there are naturally probiotic fermented ones. They will say naturally fermented on the label. Fermented pickles are stored mostly in water. Pickles stored in vinegar will not be probiotic. When sautéing kale, it is best to devein it. There is much discussion of, should fiber be included in a calculation for the total amount of carbs, or should the calculation be for the net carbs, the total amount of carbs minus the amount of fiber? Using net carbs is most common. However, your ketone meter will be your ultimate guide. If you are not getting strongly enough into ketosis, you will need to cut back on both your carbs and protein, as protein can be converted into carbs by a process called gluconeogenesis in the liver. Many times, ketogenic diets with low amounts of fiber can cause constipation. In situations like these, something like psyllium husk fiber is added. 50 grams of psyllium husk fiber has only 5.5 grams of net carbs. MCT oil is frequently added to meals as a way to increase the total fat intake. It is basically tasteless and may even bring out the favor of other foods. The Charlie Foundation website and their cookbook are recommended resources. For more information on the ketogenic diet, please see the book Cancer Self-Defense 101 Quick Tips to Help You Survive.